up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm so excited. We are filming another fun little like packing for a weekend getaway video. I'm really excited because Matt and I have a little staycation in town this weekend. You guys know how much we love to support local, and we really just want to like get out, see nature. We're bringing Stella and just have like a fun fall weekend before all the leaves fall off and you know winter comes. So I'm really excited for that, but first we need to like pack and get organized, and I miss watching travel videos so much, so I was like, you know what, let's do like a fun travel prep video, show you guys my outfit inspo, show you guys a little fall autumn haul with Eclipse, and just like pack and pretend like we're going somewhere exotic, you know? Does that sound like fun? Because I personally miss travel prep vlogs. So we're going to film one today. I'm really excited about it. And today's video is actually in collaboration with Eclipse, which I'm so excited about. They're one of my favorite clothing stores of all time, and I've been shopping there honestly for literally years. So I was super excited to be part of their fall influencer campaign, and I'm super excited to show you the pieces that I got. They were super kind and let me shop in the store for a few fall pieces, and I'm really excited to show you guys them. This is like such a collab come true. Like I can't believe I'm saying this right now. So I'm really excited. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys the things that we got from there, show you guys how I'm going to style them, get some outfit inspo, and then have a fun productive afternoon packing, doing to-do lists, and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. Guys, so before we get into the haul, I wanted to just tell you guys a little bit about Eclipse. Eclipse is just such an amazing clothing brand. I've literally been shopping at them since I was a teenager, and I really love clothing stores that kind of like go with you throughout the ages. So I wore them as a teenager, but they still also have work stuff. So I was able to kind of like adapt my style to like where I was in life, and Eclipse was kind of like just always there for me, if that makes sense, as my style changed. I love how versatile their pieces are. You guys know that I am a gal on a budget. I love to be like financially conscious and on a budget. So I really love clothing pieces that I can kind of wear not only for work, but I can also like dress up to go out or on a date night. So that's really important to me, is just to find like versatile pieces. And a lot of stores I can't find that at, so that's why I really love Eclipse. Their fall pieces are all super affordable. They have outerwear, turtlenecks, jeans, you name it. They have everything. So I'm really excited to show you guys some pieces from their fall collection that I picked out. So let's just get into it. So I built a few staple outfits, but also some stuff that was like out of my comfort zone because I'm really trying to get into like the fashion game. So I'll show you guys kind of like some of the outfits I have envisioned in my head. But the first thing I got was this chunky sweater. It's just like a typical knit. Trust one so much. Just very versatile. Like I said, you can wear this to work, but you could also dress it up with a really cute skirt and like kind of take it out on a date night, or even like Christmas, Thanksgiving, anything like that. I got this super cute little skirt, and I can't wait to put this outfit together, but it is just this like faux leather skirt. I love it. It has all the fall vibes. I'm really excited to put this outfit together, and like all their stuff is so affordable. The skirt was only $29.99, just super affordable, but I'm like really loving the chunky turtleneck and skirt trend, so I got this little skirt to go together with the outfit. Perfect little like farmer's market outfit, which is exactly where I wore it to. So it is a little like mock neck poncho, which I'm really vibing with like fall ponchos. So it's super oversized, which I love. It just looks so cute with either a pair of jeans or just with leggings. So it kind of has like the bit of the mock neck up here, and then it just has these big pockets, and it's just like super flowy and oversized, which I love so much about it. You could totally dress this down with a pair of leggings, like a farmer's market vibe. Next thing I got was this blazer, and obviously most of us are working from home right now, but I love having something simple like a blazer just to throw on before a meeting, so I kind of like put together. You can have sweatpants on the bottom and no one will ever know, which I love. So I just got this one. I love kind of like the more like casual blazer look. So this one is like super thin. It's stretchy. It's not like your very structured. It's not like your very structured blazer, which I love so much about it. But the plaid, I love the plaid for fall. And honestly, this would just look cute like going to get coffee. You could totally wear this to work. Or like to a meeting, but then you can also dress it down and like wear it with some jeans and a black bodysuit to like go grab coffee, go out for dinner, have a takeout night at home, you name it. But I just love how kind of flowy it is and not super structured. Put underneath, and this so cute, you guys. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on. But this is just like literally a jumper, and it's actually the way the model was wearing it. Hi Stella. And so it just looks like this super like kind of flowy jumper, and it has the straps like this. Kind of looks like a little bit of overalls, but it's like a dress, and it's got pockets. It's just so cute, and it would look so cute with a turtleneck for like Thanksgiving, or for like a fall date night, or even for like Christmas. I love it so much. I love that a lot of these pieces I could totally wear at Christmas as well. Definitely flowy, so you can eat like a lot of turkey in this, and overall just like such a cute little outfit. Thank you so much Eclipse for collaborating with me on this video. It means so much to me. It's like a dream come true. I love their pieces so much. I wear them every day, like I said, to work, out on date nights, and I love them so much. So like I said, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can shop online or in store, and let's grab some outfit inspo from these clothes and start packing for a trip. Typically when I make a packing list, I already did my outfit inspo, but I actually plan out, like, I check off each day. So like we're only there from Sunday to Monday, so I need an outfit Sunday evening, and then I need an outfit for Monday, and then what am I going to wear to travel? Obviously the longer the trip, the more you're going to add, but that's kind of how I do it. And then just really obvious stuff like charging or watching your laptop is very important, and my Kindle. So I'm going to go ahead and go and grab some outfits, put some stuff together, and then we'll start the actual packing. Also guys, don't forget to check the weather where you're going. That's very important, so you know how to dress. You guys, it's the next day. I actually ended up redoing my like packing list last night just because I had forgotten to add some things. I have that. I just took out my suitcase. Yes, I'm bringing a suitcase for one night. And oh, we went to Marshall's. I'll show you guys some things I got. So I got a new makeup organizer. I lost mine in the move, so I got this one, which I actually really like. It just has like a hanger so you can like hang it up. So I got that. I'm really excited about that. I ordered a camera strap on Amazon because I don't have a camera, and it was like $10. It's like this nice gray material. That I'll link it down below for you guys, just for like when we're walking around and stuff, so I can get footage. Got a new beauty blender, and then, well, shocker, I got another mug, but that's nothing to do with traveling, but I had to show you guys because how stinking cute is this? So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my outfits out of the closet, and then I highlighted my outfits. Just makes it a bit easier, and then we will start packing. How I do it is I just kind of like lay out outfit. So still is hanging out with me, but I have like a hiking outfit, I have like one outfit, and then a second outfit there. And then for shorter trips I just try and pack like the same pair of jeans and switch up the top. So I have a turtleneck, and I also have this bodysuit, this bralette, and a blazer, and then just like PJs and stuff. So visualizing my outfits helps a lot. And then when it comes to packing, obviously it's kind of harder because it's like bigger stuff, like it's thick, but one side is for clothes and the other side is like for makeup and stuff. So trying to keep it pretty simple. But yeah, those are my outfits that I'm bringing, and I guess we'll just like start putting them in, and then we'll like pack like my makeup and hats and stuff. So my little travel makeup things all packed up, and then I have my little backpack over here that I'm gonna put my camera and stuff in, and then a puppy, and then just some stuff I'm gonna put into my backpack. So I'm gonna bring this backpack and then put the smaller backpack in it, just because this is gonna be kind of like my walking around purse because it can fit my camera in it. So sunglasses, and then I'm bringing my Kindle, this book that I still have not finished, and then this magazine I picked up last week. I really want to read that. So these are the books I'm bringing with me, and I'm just gonna put that in my backpack. My MacBook is currently charging, and yeah, so. So not only make like a packing to-do list, but I also just make like an actual packing list of everything I want to bring. So that's everything for me. I'm already all packed. I have like all my tech stuff, and then now we're gonna do Stella's packing, which is just like some food, her bowls and stuff. So pack for the dog as well. Just laid everything out. Pro tip: if you are bringing your dog with you on a trip, take a picture of the toys that you're packing before you go, so that when you're packing up to leave wherever you're going. You can just look at the picture and make sure you don't leave any behind. So we're just bringing some of her favorite toys, some dog poop bags, her food, her water bowl, that's her slow feed bowl, her harness, which from Wolf Concept, I always have it linked down below, and then a blanket, and then just a bag full of treats. And then we're gonna put it all in this bag here. And I don't think we're forgetting anything for her. Food, water, treats, toys. Guys, I think I'm all packed. We're all ready to go. Matt's just in the shower, and then we're gonna head out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little like pack and organize and prep with me, plus a fall clothing haul. Thank you once again to Eclipse for sponsoring today's video. I just can't wait for the day that we get to like pack for a trip and go somewhere warm like Disney World or Florida. I literally can't wait. But for now, we're appreciating any travel that we can do. So we're all packed up. We're gonna head out in a few minutes. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you guys can see like all of the behind the scenes of our trip and clips that I don't include here on YouTube. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. It helps out my channel so much. Subscribe if you're not already for more fun videos, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.